Good day, everybody. I want to talk a little bit about vision. We often hear this term, the vision thing. What is the vision thing? Vision is a term that's more about the business world than the personal world. In the personal world, we often use the term dreams. Both have a great role in creating and crafting the type of future that we want. And a vision, very much like a dream, should be indicative and inclusive of a number of ambitions. The first is that vision is an idea, an ideal of a different future. What makes a vision more compelling is the difference between today and tomorrow, the present and the future. The more that you can delineate a future from the present, the more bold and ideal the future vision will be. So vision's about a future. It's about a future that you think is, secondly, better. And so, while a vision may be an idea and an ideal of a different future, the second aspect is it has to be better. Very few want to go back. And if they want to go back, they want to go back to often a place that doesn't exist, and certainly doesn't exist in their memory. What does that mean? Often when people are of a certain age and they look back over college or high school, they think that that was the time of their life. So much was better then. When grandparents look over the way they were raised, it was a better time. But they missed so much of what wasn't there. They missed that healthcare wasn't as good today as it was then. They missed that not everybody got to enjoy the fruits of being an American citizen like they did. There's so much that's missed because we simply only remember the good times rather than the bad. We look at the big picture rather than the little picture. And as we know as we go through life, it's the little things that add up to the big things. And when you forget the little things, all you remember is the big things. You forget all of the trials and tribulations, the prejudices, and certainly those that put you down and put you off. Instead, you remember the one or two great memories that you have. Certainly not a bad thing, but when you're creating a vision, it's all about looking forward rather than looking back. Second is that, and third are very similar. It has to be exciting. It has to be something that you want to say, this is something I want to do. I must move in this action. If I don't do it, I won't have the future that I think I could have. And that's what vision is. Vision's idea and an ideal of a different future. It should be very bold, and it should be future-oriented. And lastly, it should be exciting. Thank you, everybody. I wish you the best as we create this thing we call the vision, either for our business or the dream for our person. Take care.